my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nasra and welcome. I'm so sorry guys for not posting any videos lately. I've just been off, you know. I feel like, oh, I want to just sit down and relax, do nothing. But as you know, I wasn't home. I was in London. I came back last weekend, but well, yeah, it's been really hectic and so many things are happening at this moment. I feel like December is so busy. So yeah, for today's video, I want to show you how I achieved this look. And for festive look, I wanted to create this nice green emerald, I should call it, makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. As I prep my skin with Nars Radiance Primer, I've used this one before. And the next step I'm gonna do is take my Natural Radiant Longwear foundation from Nars as well. This is it. It's a long and beautiful. I feel like in my previous videos I haven't explained how I do it. Just gently on my skin. Let it soak it in, and I will take a few more pumps and repeat that on the other side of my cheek. My skin is not really that well, to be honest. This couple of days, I'm not sure what I've been eating, but I can see that very well on my skin. It comes out. It's holiday season and I really wish to have a beautiful skin by then, because oh my goodness, who would want to have a breakout during Christmas? And it's going to be my birthday on the 28th and New Year's, so I have like 3 things in 1 week to celebrate. And yeah, I'm going to try and drink as many water as I can and as much as I can. So hopefully this will go away. Feel free to correct your skin first before you do your foundation. I don't like to do that. I tried that before and my face was all orange, and after that I was like, nah, this is not for me, man. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm using Nars concealer as well, and this is in shade Caramel Dark 2 Medium. This is it. Excuse my fingernails. I removed acrylic nails by myself. I was just fed up and I didn't want to do anything for like a month, just to let it like this. And trying to figure out what kind of nails I would like during holidays. So if you have any ideas or just let me know. Comment down below, show me the nails, or send me a DM on Instagram. I would really appreciate that. So what I'm gonna do is to put it under my eyes, not too much, because I will put another lighter concealer that should be from MAC. I'll show you in a minute. I don't want to see any darkness under my eyes, so I will cover that. So what I will do is to put right under it and to blend it all together. I don't want to put too much on my forehead, just like that. And since I have pimples here, I will not put on my chin today. We don't want to highlight that. So I am taking another beauty blender. This is a smaller beauty blender, and just like that, we are going to blend it in. I needed more products from Nars. I feel like this is going to be my go-to product. I really love it. I never tried it before. I don't know why, and I've always been a matte girl, but to be honest, since I tried the Nars foundation, I've been in love with it and I'm obsessed. I mean, look at this. It's like my second skin. Except the pimples. Don't look at that. Alright, once you finish, your face should be pale like mine. But don't worry, we are going to fix that in a minute. So before it gets creased, I will use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Well, I've shown you this before, so you already know how it should look like. I will grab my Laura Mercier powder. What is this? A sponge. I feel like once I put too much and I let it bake, it's too matte, and I don't like it to be too matte. I want it a bit radiant and dewy. Well, not that dewy, but just a little bit. On my forehead, we don't want that to shine like a diamond. Just like that. And to set the other places, I will do just a little bit on my chin as well. And so the next thing, I'm gonna grab my matte bronzers. If you have a contour that a liquid contour that you want to use, feel free to do that. And then after that, you can just put your matte bronzer. It should be looking like this. This is my NYX professional makeup matte bronzer. This should be in, let me see, dark tan. So before this sets too much, I'll grab a brush like this and to brush it away gently. Ooh, see the pigmentation right there? That's why you should always start just a little bit and not too much. So as you can see, I am trying to go for a green look. I feel like I'm always doing basic makeup like soft glam or brownish colors, so I will try to do Christmas look, holiday season makeup look, which is green, the color that I will be using for this video. So I will take Patricia Bright Revolution Makeup Revolution, I don't know. So this is it, and let me just show you the palette itself. It comes with a mirror, so the colors that I'll be using will be these two green right here, and I will try to see if I can mix it with another palette. This is Jaclyn Hill, and I'll be using one of those colors right there, the green ones. So let's go ahead and start. I will go with this color right here, the orange one, to set the base. While I'm doing this, what is everybody up to for Christmas? I feel like I have nothing to do. I'll just be inside. I'll be in London and nothing big, just being inside. I'm not sure if there will be any dinner with family or something. I am not sure. As long as I'm healthy, and a few days later it's going to be my birthday. Even that, I have no plans whatsoever. I'll just be inside. I have no idea what to do, guys, so I'll just try to see if I can do a lockdown birthday celebration. I am not sure what I want to do. Maybe order cake or maybe bake it myself. I haven't decided yet. And perhaps just taking random pictures and post them. I don't know yet. Alright, the base is done, and the next color I'll be taking was this green, beautiful green color right here. Blend, blend, blend. We don't want any harsh lines here, so I'll keep blending until satisfied with the results. In between, I will brush this off before it's too much baked. Alright, moving on to the next color. I will put this color right here, the shimmer one. I don't like using my fingers, but if you can, please do so. But you know what, let me just try it. Perhaps it will be better. I am not sure. Like that. Ooh, as a matter of fact, yes, you get more pigment. So, okay, let me correct this and then I'll do my eyebrows so that way my face will look a bit like, okay, this is the look that I want to go for. But right now I'm like, what in the world am I doing? This is the reason why I do not like colorful shadows. But anyways, let me blend that a bit in right here. So I finished the eye look and this is it, nothing too much. And for now I'll be using my NYX micro pencil and fill it in my brow. I will do this off camera. I'll be right back. My eyebrows are done and I put this eyeliner under my eyes right here, and meanwhile my eyes are getting really red. I don't know why. Whenever I do my eyeshadows, my eyes tend to be really red, like it's irritated or something. I don't know. So let me just wrap it up. So I will not do the eyeliner and I will go straight to eyelashes. I am using, oh my goodness, somebody please buy me new eyelashes. I forever use the Primark eyelashes and honestly they're really nice, so yeah, I'm happy with them. Let me do the eyelashes off camera and I'll be right back. And the lashes are on. I decided to put them on without putting any eyeliner. The brush, no, the blush I'm going to use is from Makeup Mua. This is it. So this is Essence Mascara. I will start with lip liner. I'm using collection number 2 Cappuccino. And I will go right in with my liquid lipstick. I will need another color like this, similar to this, but another brand, because I feel like I'm always using this lipstick. To top it up, I will use Shine 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 by Essence lip gloss. Just a little bit to give that shine. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really loved how this look turned out, and as the holiday season is approaching, I wanted to do something glamorous and shimmery. Well, not really glitter, but you know what I mean. Yeah, feel free to do this look for Christmas or any other occasion that is coming up, and let me know how it turned out. If you post a picture on Instagram, feel free to tag me. And speaking of Instagram, if you're not following me, please do so. This is my Instagram right here, and I hope to catch you all up on the next one. Thank you for watching and bye.